Meaning of majority is the rule. In a company, decisions are generally taken according to the wishes of the majority of shareholders. This means that if more than 50% shareholders agree on a matter, their decision will be binding on all members, including the minority. This principle is important for smooth and efficient management. Simple meaning: the company works on democracy, majority decides, and everyone must follow. 2. Rule in Fosse v. Harbottle, 1843. This famous case laid down the principle of majority supremacy. Facts of the case: two shareholders, Fosse and Harbottle, filed a case against directors for misuse of company property. Judgment: the court held that the company itself is the proper person to sue, not individual shareholders. If the majority of shareholders can approve the act, then the court will not interfere. 3. Principles laid down in Fosse v. Harbottle. Proper plaintiff rule: only the company can sue for wrongs done to it, not individual shareholders. Majority rule, internal management: if the majority of shareholders approve an act, courts will not interfere in internal matters. Avoidance of multiplicity of suits: to prevent too many cases, only the company should bring legal action. Simple understanding: if something wrong happens to the company itself should take action, not every shareholder individually. 4. Exceptions to majority rule, when minority can take action. The rule is not absolute. Minority shareholders can go to court in certain situations. Ultra vires acts, beyond powers. If an act is beyond the powers of the company, even majority cannot approve it. Fraud on minority: if majority shareholders commit fraud against minority, minority can sue. Oppression and mismanagement: if company affairs are conducted unfairly or harm minority interests. Violation of personal rights: if personal rights of shareholders, like voting rights, are denied. Acts requiring special resolution: if a matter requires special resolution but is passed as ordinary resolution. Illegal or unlawful acts: if the act is illegal, minority can challenge it. Wrongdoers in control: if wrongdoers themselves control the company and prevent action. 5. Simple case study. Case: majority misusing power. In ABC Limited, majority shareholders, holding 70%, decided to sell company assets to another company owned by them at a very low price. Minority shareholders, 30%, felt cheated. What happened? Minority shareholders filed a case. Court found it was a fraud on minority. The transaction was cancelled. Simple understanding: even though majority had power, they misused it. So, minority got protection from the court. 6. Conclusion: the rule of majority ensures smooth functioning of a company, but it is not unlimited. The law provides protection to minority shareholders in cases of injustice, fraud, or illegal acts. Thus, there is a balance between majority power and minority protection.